Hi, welcome back. In this section, we'll look into modules. We'll see how to import modules and how to use the modules and what are the standard modules available in Python. And also we'll see how to create our own modules. What is a module? A module is nothing but a file containing Python code. The code could be Python functions or Python classes or some simple Python statements. Anything put together in a file becomes a module. Python provides a ton of modules, and here is the site website location for the standard library modules. In addition to Python standard library modules, there are a lot of third-party modules also available, and most of them are free. And for example, the SciPy is a very popular package, is a popular module. It deals with a lot of scientific computing and all that. Most of these modules are freely available. We can just download them and import into our scripts. And there's no point in rewriting all this code, but we had to do a lot of research to find what is available. Let us start with some code examples. Let us look into a module called random. For that, to use any module, we have to import. We have to say import. The module name is random. And we can give a alias name as a simple name like as RA. We can give any name so that we can refer to this module with this name. Let us use, let us say print RA. RA is the module name. Rand, there's a function in that called rand int, and we can pass two numbers, and this will it will give a random number. It's like a random number generator. If I execute this, we get 25. That is any number between 1 and 100 is a rand int. It gives an integer number between that 1 and 100. If I execute it again, I get another different number, and if I do it again, something different. Suppose if I change these parameters, say let us say 100 to like 10,000, I'll get a totally different number, like 3,584. The number will be between 1 and 10,000. That is how to generate a random number. Just by using this module random, we are able to just generate the random integer number between the given parameters. Let us create a list. I'll say list. I'll use a range function. I'll say range 25. This will give, this is our regular range function I'm using. On the top of it, I'm passing this range to a list that will create a list object. If I say print, if I say print x, that will print out a list of 25 numbers from 0 to 24. All this we already did all these things. And there's on the random module, there's a method called is a function called shuffle. Let us use that RA dot shuffle, and if we pass this x, and if that will shuffle the list, and if we print the text now, it will be a shuffled list. Earlier it was a ordered list, starting from 0 to ascending list. Now it's all totally shuffled. All the numbers are shuffled within that list. And if you do, let's say if you do a couple of times, if I execute this, you get every time you get a different shuffle in different order. All right, that is about using the shuffle function in a random module. There's a module called date and time. It's very useful module. I'll import that. Import date time, I say as dt, and I say dt and date and time. There's a function, there's a class, I think there's a class date time. We have to say now is a method on that class, and that will return the time, the current time. And if you print that time, it will give an object of it's a date and time object. If you execute this one, you'll get the current time. So this is the current time. And also from t, from the time we can print, we can get different values like t dot year or t dot month and t dot day. And if you execute this one, you get different, as a different values, year, month, and date. Similarly, you can ask for print t dot hour or t dot minute and t dot second. Here the problem is dot. Okay, that is 15 is hour and 38 is a minute and the second. These are so useful in programming. You can simply play with these modules in, especially the date and time we will be using so much in our the production scripts and all that. Let us see, there's one more module. Let us see one more module. It's called OS, operating system module. Import OS. We can find the path, the path of the path in the machine you are working with. You say print OS dot get env. There's the env function, env method. You can say path. If you execute this, it will give the path, whatever is the environment variable path. Similarly, you can ask for let us say print. Always you have to pass the module name. Here where OS is the module name, and say get C current working directory. That will give you the current working directory. Okay, that is how to use Python modules. These are all Python standard modules. They come with the Python installation, and there's no need to download these modules. They are with the Python interpreter itself. The only thing is we have to import in the script. And the other thing is this import statement could be anywhere in the script. It need not be in the beginning of the script. It could be anywhere in the script. Okay, let us stop here. and we'll continue on modules in our next class. Okay, thanks.